Hello guys, today we are going to see how to set up the Shopify Autoblog to be able to fuel your website, your Shopify shop with some interesting article that will drive some traffic, that will generate some more traffic from the SEO, creating some interesting content that will help your potential customer discover what you are selling and get some more information about your specific product that you are selling. For example, this is the kind of article that you can publish automatically on your website. So here it's, for example, an article about curcumin. It was fully generated by AI. You can see that everything is perfect in terms of good SEO practice. You can have, for example, the key takeaway, the internet linking, you have the table, you have some nice AI generated image, you have a very deep article that brings a lot of information, not just the amount of word, not just text, but bringing real information to the potential customer that are going to buy it on your Shopify website. You can see here, for example, we have some interesting related terms that are connected to curcuma and curcumin. You have some lists, you have some blog code, you have some more AI generated image. Yes, basically it's a very rich article, and I'm going to show you how you can publish this 100% automated without you having to do anything. You can publish this kind of article every day on your Shopify blog, totally automatic. So how is it working? It's very simple. Basically, you need to connect the AI agent from Vium.ai to your Shopify blog. So I'm going to show you the two most important steps to achieve this auto blog. First, content creation, being able to search the topic that you want to write on, an article on, and second, integration, that's been connecting Vium.ai with Shopify blog. So let's start. I'm going to show you how you can create one article or even 30 articles if you want to plan the whole month's content strategy. So let's start. So let's say that I have a food supplement website. I'm going to write an article about the vitamin D. What I'm doing right now is asking the AI agent to give me some topic ideas. So basically, I'm just writing my keywords here and I let the AI agent work. So we can see that the AI agent gave me 7 potential topics that could be interesting for my niche, for my Shopify blog. So I'm going to just look at them. So pros and cons, this is good. Immune system, the dosage, what is the difference between vitamin D2 and vitamin D3, very interesting. So I'm not going to go too far in this. What I'm going to do is that I'm simply going to ask the AI to write article. So we can see that the AI is currently working. It's currently doing the research and creating the article. Here, I didn't go too much into detail on how to set up the parameter for each article. There will be other video that will explain this in more detail, but what you can see here is that I just select the normal parameter of the article, that's in English, United States, in target country, formatting. I activate all the formatting. I set up the internal and external links, and I ask the AI to generate me some image in this article. So right now, the writing process is being done. Now we are going to go to the integration to start connecting our Vium AI website to our Shopify. So I'm going to go there. I'm simply going to click here. And so this is where it's getting a bit more technical. That means I need to go back to Shopify to create an API key that will let me connect Vium.ai with my Shopify. Okay, so now I'm inside Shopify. So what I'm going to do, first I need to create an app. So I'm going to go to this section here on the little arrow. I'm going to click on app and then click on app and sell channel. I'm going to go into develop apps and I'm going to have to create a new apps. So I'm just writing a name here, Vium AI integration. We can write whatever we want. I'm going to ask create the app. We are going to wait a little bit. The app is getting created at the moment. Okay, so the apps in Shopify has been created. What I need to do right now is to go to API credential and I need to configure the scope of this API, basically giving the correct permission for Vium.ai to be able to post directly on this Shopify blog. So now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to look for the blog. I'm going to do a quick search on the page to access here store content. And here I need to be sure to click on write and read. So basically it gives the permission to Vium.ai to post some article, blog comments, and page. So up, we are going to save this. It's creating the permission. So now we are going to wait a little bit. And now is the final step. We need to get our access token. So now we get the permission to our app to do some action on the content, write and read some content. Now we just need to install the app. We click on install the app, and it's the final step. We install the app. And so now we have our access to our admin access token. So here it's very important to understand that this token will be shown only once. So basically I need to reveal this token. I'm going to copy paste it and be sure to store it somewhere, because it will be only shown once. After, you will not be able to access this token anymore. And if you need to reconnect, for example, to View.ai, you will need to recreate a new app. It doesn't pose a big trouble, because you will not lose your content, or it will not pose any trouble. It's just that the connection between View.ai and Shopify will be reset, and you will need to create a new integration into View.ai. So be sure to copy this admin key right now, and then we can go back to View.ai to finalize the process of integration. Okay, so now I come back to my integration setup. I'm going to write here, I'm going to pass my access token. Here I'm going to write my Shopify integration, and I'm going to pass my Shopify URL here. Voilà, the URL of my Shopify shop. Then I just hit connect. It's doing the checkup, and boom, it's already connected. So that's perfect. Okay, so now I'm connected to Shopify. So basically what I can do now is generate article. I can publish article and blog post directly on my Shopify website automatically or manually. So we are going to go back into the content writer AI agent to see if the article has been processed. So as we can see, the article that we choose previously are already there. So what I can do is click on this button right now. I can select my Shopify integration, and with the push of one button, I can directly publish my article directly on my blog. We can check here the result about the article that was written. So we can see there is the key takeaway, there is the table, very deep article about various interesting information that are really linked to the subject. You see, this is really perfect. We have the comparison between vitamin D2 and vitamin D3, and look at the image, look at the quality of this image. You can really see that it's extremely contextual image. The article is very deep. You can see a lot of table, a lot of interesting information, the dosage. I mean, it's the kind of article that's really rank on Google and bring some user and potential client onto your website. So that's pretty insane. So what I can do right now, I can even go faster and decide to select all and publish them all at the same time. So I just select my Shopify integration and I hit the publish button, and it's going to publish all those articles right now on my Shopify blog. Or I can decide to schedule them. So basically I can publish one article per day with 1 day or 2 days delay. It's the Shopify integration, and what it's going to do is that it's going to post 6 of those 6 articles with 2 days delay between each of the articles. So I'm just pushing them to the content calendar, and you can see that it's now inside the content calendar with multiple articles getting automatically published every day to bring some more activity on my blog, to make my Shopify blog more active. And this Google is going to see this kind of effort that you are pushing on your website, and is going to show your article, your content to potential customers that are interested into this subject. So yeah, I think you understand the power of AI agent when you can connect View.ai with multiple integration like Shopify. If you want to give it a try, go to View.ai. It's free. You have free article that you can deploy right now. So just give it a try. If you have any question, feel free to contact us on our website. And I say you have a good day and talk to you soon. Bye.